right, on number 1, it says, what segments are parallel to PNRQ? So if you notice, I drew on PNRQ. Does everybody see that? Yes. To help me know what in the world, what plane am I talking about? So now, what are the segments that are parallel? The 4 segments that won't touch it. What are they? KL and ML and JM and JK. Which is, what answer is that? A? What if it asked for perpendicular, though? It wouldn't be those, right? Some of y'all missed that on the worksheet. The worksheet was the ones that go through it, but that is correct for parallel. Okay, so number 1 was A. Number 2, am I going too fast, y'all? Okay, y'all just say something if I am. Number 2 says, what's the relationship between angle 4 and angle 8? That means, what kind of angles are they? Corresponding. We've done that one several times today. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't even realize there were answer choices down there. Yeah, there were answer choices. So it's B, corresponding. Okay. Next up, and it's probably the same 10 questions. All right. How are angles 6 and 3 related? What kind of angles are angle 6 and angle 3? Alternate interior angles. So number 3 is B. It's just something you kind of have to have that memorized, y'all. Okay? That stuff on the board over there, it's not going to be on there. So you'll just have to remember them. The little signs.
You should just keep them up.
If angle 8 is 130, careful, this one's difficult. What's the sum of 1 and 4? First of all, what if angle 8 is 130? What's the measure of angle 1 and the measure of angle 4?
Angle 4 is 130, right? And angle 4 is 50. Angle 1 is 50.
Angle 1 and 4 are vertical angles, so they have to be equal. 8, 5, 4, and 1 are all 130 degrees. Does everybody understand that? Go through, because of the types of angles they are. So you want to pick 130, but that's wrong. Why is that wrong? This is a common thing on the ACT. It doesn't ask for what are the measures of 1 and 4. It says what's the sum of 1 and 4. What's the sum of 1 and 4? What's 130 plus 130?
260.
So 4 is A. Okay, do y'all understand that? It was a trick question in there.
That's goofy, Miss Amanda.
It'll be the same tomorrow. You'll remember. Make sure you read the questions. Read. Okay, number 5, it says, okay, these 2 lines, P and R, they're parallel. So what is the measure of angle G? So we got to go back. Okay, this is something I know. This is 42, and this is 42. So what is the measure of angle G? 42. Angle G is also 42. You have to know some of the angles equal or they add to 180. You have to know what one to do. Do you subtract from 180 or do you set them equal? Okay? This one, it says, which lines are parallel if 2 and 8 are equal? So what I would do is I would draw 2 and 8. Like I would draw on those. All right, here's angle 2. Here's angle 8. What 2 lines are those touching? R is not 2 lines, by the way. What 2 lines are those touching? L and M. Okay, R is only 1 line, so that's not what it's asking for. L and M. So those are the lines that are parallel. And so it's either this one or it's this one. So what kind of angles are 2 and 8? Alternate interior. So your answer is D. Does everybody understand that? Just make sure you look at it. That's all it takes is some time to take your time and look. Okay, number 7. It says P and Q are parallel. Angle 1 is 8x and angle 3 is 120. So let me write that. Angle 1 is 8x, and angle 3 is 120. What do I know about those two angles?
They have to eat.
They either equal or they add to 180. They equal because they are what kind of angles? Corresponding.
Okay.
So I would set them equal. I would write 8x equals 120. Then what do I do?
You divide.
Divide by 8. And what is 120 divided by 8?
40. Wait.
Nope.
Wait. I don't know.
15? Okay, what was it asking for? It says find the value of x. Okay, so that's our answer. It's 15. Are we good with that?
I think.
Just set them equal, divide by 8. You have to know that when they add to 180, that's when they're same side interior. Okay, you just gotta know that. All right, this one it's the same question. It says find x that makes these parallel. So those are alternate interior angles. So do we add them to 180 or do we set them equal? Set them equal again. Okay, they're not on the same side, so they don't add to 180. So 2x minus 10 equals 64. What do I do now? Add 10. So 2x equals 74. Then what? Divide by 2. And x equals, is it 37?
Mm-hmm.
And let's make sure, yeah, it asks for x. What is x? X is 37. I can't erase that fast, sorry. Okay, just a couple more.
2 more.
Number 9, this one's from today, okay? It'll probably be the same kind of question. It says, if C and B are perpendicular and A and C are parallel, what are A and B? Just to look at the picture, what are A and B? Perpendicular. You've already narrowed it down, y'all, to 2 answer choices. 50-50 chance of getting it. So those are perpendicular. Why? Why are A and B perpendicular? It's either B or C. We learned nothing about alternate exterior angles. Not really. I mean, I think we did a while back, but
So it's B.
it's the perpendicular transversal theorem. Okay? That's the exact same problem that we did today, I think, on your sheet.
Yeah, it looked like it.
What did we say? B? Yeah. Number 10. It tells us given angles 1 is congruent to angle 5. I tried to white it out because I had written all the answers. So why are 4 and 1 congruent? Why are angles?
They're I don't know.
You'll have to know this one. Why are angles 1 and 4 congruent?
They're not corresponding angles.
No.
They're the vertical angles.
Yeah, 1 and 4 are vertical angles. So that's what you're going to write for this one. Vertical angles. Okay? Now, let's go back and see. 1 and 5 are congruent. 4 and 1 are congruent. So 4 and 5 are congruent. And what do we call that?
Transitive.
Transitive property. Very good. Y'all are getting the hang of this.
Kind of.
Okay? Now, since 4 and 5 are congruent, the lines are parallel. What kind of angles? That's what comes here. What kind of angles are 4 and 5?
Alternate exterior angles.
Alternate
Interior.
interior. I think it's the converse. It's converse of that. But if you just put alternate, converse of alternate interior angles. That's what I'm looking for. Does that make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Converse is when you're proving something is parallel. So it was vertical, transitive, converse of alternate
D.
interior angles.